Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo, where we want you to eat well, feel well, and to be in good health. So thank you for joining us today. Hi there. So today we're doing a little special as I'm away this weekend at the big church festival, excited about that. But I just wanted to take a moment just to reflect and say that it's so important to be grateful and to give thanks. I mean, look at this beautiful sunshine. Isn't that something to be thankful for? So I just wanted to share with you 3 things that I am thankful for today. So I'm thankful actually in the past couple of weeks. So I'm thankful because I prayed about a car and I got a car and a really perfect car that God provided for me. Secondly, we had a coronation afternoon tea at my church. And the neighbours came out and it was just so beautiful, and we've even had one of the little girls who came wanting to come back to play with her newfound friends, and I want to thank God for that. Also yesterday I was at my allotment and I really needed to mow the grass, but I didn't have a mower, so I asked one of my neighbours, now friends, and she allowed me to use her push mower, which made such a difference. So I'm grateful, I'm thankful, for this beautiful sunshine, for the blessings of life and health and strength, that I've got a job, and I'm just giving thanks. So what I'd like you to do today is comment below. What are you thankful for? What are you grateful to God for? Because when you start to give thanks and have a heart of gratitude, it really does change your mindset. It actually helps you to just focus and better, and to be happier, and to be able to share that joy with others. So I just wanted to share a little bit of my blessings, my joy, my gratefulness with you, and give God thanks. And I pray that you are blessed and have a great day. Take care and love you. Bye.